Learn how to make a binary divisor in Logisim. Hello guys! Today I will teach you how to build a very important circuit for our projects. The binary divider is a complex circuit in digital electronics, but in this tutorial I will show you how to build it step by step. So, let's start with the basics. First, I need to teach you how to divide a number in binary. This is important to understand the behavior of the circuit. Let's divide 157 by 13. The first step to divide is compare the first digits of the dividend to the divisor. If the digits of the dividend are smaller than the divisor, put a 0 in the quotient and compare again by adding one more digit from the dividend. Now, if the dividend is greater than the divisor, put a 1 on quotient. After that, you can make the binary subtraction normally. After the subtraction, you need to down the next digit of dividend and compare again with the divisor. Now, repeat this procedure until you are out of dividend digits. When you reach all the digits of the dividend, you will get the result of the division. Now, let's take a look at our circuit in Logisim. The first inputs is for the dividends. The next 4 inputs is the divisors. The last one is the result of our divisor circuit. Now, each block of circuit in the red circle is do one step of what we learn on subtraction example. This block is the comparator. It will check if the divisor is greater than the first digit of the dividends. If yes, the result of the comparator block will be 1, and the subtraction will be executed by this second part of the circuit block. If no, this circuit will skip to the next block and the logic will repeat, but comparing with the next digit of the dividend. Note that the result of the comparator is also the quotient of the divisor. On each step of block, we will get 1 digit of the quotient, so that we need 8 blocks to all the 8 digits of the divisor, as you can see in this image. Now, let's make some examples on our circuit. First, we will do the same example at the beginning of the video. Let's divide 157 by 13. As you can see, we got the same result as we did on theory. Here's another example, 185 by 8. This last example is very interesting. Look what happens when they divide 185 by 1. As you can see, our circuit will follow the same number on dividend. It's confirmed that our project is working very well. That's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons of digital circuit. By the way, if you want the Logisim file, comment this video